Hello, we are Dandy, and we are here to make your next shopping experience for clothes fit just right. Do you have that one favorite outfit that fits and looks amazing, but the style is getting a little old? Do you dread having to spend the time and energy to go to a store and try on countless outfits? Or maybe you've pored over the sizing charts from online retailers only to find that once you've made the purchase and it arrived, it really didn't even fit. Well, you're not alone. Today, sizes across clothing brands do not match. A woman can be a size 4 in one brand and a size 8 in another, as illustrated in this chart from Time magazine. So why is it so hard to find the right size? One reason is vanity sizing has caused inconsistencies across brands. Additionally, companies have long used size to optimize their production and distribution chains in order to get apparel shipped as quickly as possible. However, it's done without much thought of what the consumer really values, which is how they look and feel in their clothes. Apparel e-commerce revenue is forecasted to exceed $100 billion by 2020, and there seems to be no sign of slowdown in the transition from shopping at brick-and-mortar stores to online avenues. In the United States alone, over 3.5 billion products, or 40% of all online clothing sales, are estimated to be returned every year. Retailers not only suffer from the cost of having to refund and restock these returns, but their customer lifetime value suffers greatly, as 85% of consumers remain loyal based upon fit alone. With such inconsistencies, consumers want to know they will get the best value from their purchases, and retailers must use better data to ensure they capture as much market share as possible. Recent studies have suggested that retailers could increase their return on investment by up to 20% by better using data from their consumers. We're aware of privacy concerns, but our research has shown that consumers, up to 78%, are more than willing to share more personal information in order to get a unique and personalized shopping experience, and nearly 75% expect such an experience from the brands they shop from. So how can the problem be solved? That's where Dandy comes in. Dandy is an app that serves as a personalized shopper, just for you. Our app will help consumers find the right fit while saving their time and help brands connect the right products with their customers. But how does it really work? The customer's journey with Dandy begins at sign-up. The customer provides as much personal data as they feel comfortable. The more provided, the more accurate our suggestions. There are a number of ways a consumer can enter sizing information. They can provide photos of themselves in clothing, measurements of their own body, and the size and different brands that they prefer. They can also specify trends and style preferences to give us a better idea of what their fashion identity is and what products they will prefer the most. From this information provided, we are then able to make clothing recommendations to consumers in accurate sizing from existing brands. We also make recommendations based on specific categories that match your style preferences across all categories, such as professional, casual, athletic. For our premium members, we offer some additional features at an additional cost. You receive sales notifications for items you flag that you're interested in, and early looks at releases from our network of retailers, a way of getting ahead of trends for our premium customers. We also enable tools for our premium customers to upload a photo of a style they like, and Dandy will pull back similar items. That way, you're never left struggling to find that look you loved on that girl last week. So maybe you're a clothing geek like us, and you want to know how the analytics really work? Well, Dandy utilizes innovative technology and algorithms such as recommendation systems, natural language processing, and machine learning to ensure that we're making the best recommendations for each consumer. From our customers' feedback, we utilize tools like natural language processing to pull pertinent style and sizing preferences from the reviews customers leave. This allows Dandy to better identify and codify what cut a unique customer may prefer. Also, we tailor our recommendations based on feedback given, pictures submitted, and styles other similar users have preferred in the past. All of this together takes away pain points for consumers in their online shopping experience. At Dandy, our goal is to help consumers shop with confidence by ensuring that their clothes will fit exactly as they desire. We also want to help clothing brands and companies increase their sales. By leveraging our network of users, we can ensure that a company's products are going to be seen by the people most likely to make a purchase. Dandy not only saves both consumers and companies time, but we also cut shipping costs by reducing the return rates. Our primary goal is serving our customers. In order to do that, we need to build our database to improve machine learning. Our freemium model allows us to capture data from a large amount of users. Incentives are provided to existing users to encourage their friends to use Dandy. By building a large database of users, we will create a network effect to improve the experience for customers and retailers alike. By building partnerships with established clothing brands, we'll be able to provide them with levels of insight previously unavailable to retailers from their own individual websites. We will also offer advertising space within our app for retailers to market their items to our customer base. Think akin to pay-per-view ads, as well as promoted search results that sit at the top of the results based on search keywords. Social media will of course be utilized in a large way to promote the usage of the app to consumers. Social media is currently where retailers market to consumers, as well as where similar apps market themselves. This is an ideal space to capture individuals who are likely to shop online. Data and analytics in online shopping are the future. There are other companies out there, but this is how we differentiate ourselves. We don't require any subscription fee just to use our product, unlike competitors like Stitch Fix. People come to our app to make sure that they're getting the best sizing in brands they already know and love. Retailers can have access to insights on product selection, user behaviors, and brand or fit matches. For example, we can provide sales information that will tell retailers when an individual was shopping for black pants if they took the Ann Taylor pants out of their basket, only to purchase the pants from the Banana Republic. And overall, nothing in the market is a one-stop shop like Dandy. At Dandy, we're dedicated to improving the online clothes shopping experience, utilizing data analytics to better outcomes and save money for consumers and clothing companies alike. We want to be the go-to shopping companion for sizing and styling, and we hope you'll join us.